Hello everyone, today I want to take you through QGIS, working with attribute table. The objective of my class today is to edit and add a column with additional attributes to your map. Categorize and make edits visible in the map. I'm going to use QGIS 3.4. So the first step would be to import the shapefile into your project. So search from the internet, download and save the shapefile for geographical region which you may be interested in. In my case, I'm interested in working with an African shapefile. So I'll go to Google, type in African shapefile, download. Then I'll be in a position to download a zipped file which is named Africa_SHP. And then for me to be able to use this in QGIS, I'll need to unzip it. Unzip the file and identify the shapefile contained in it. So the file contains three files, one which is called africa.dbf, another one called africa.shp, another one called africa.shx. So I'm interested in working with the shapefile, so I will go direct to africa.shp. That is the file that I will use. So the next step is to import the shapefile into my project. So after I have unzipped it, then I need to open QGIS and then go to the vector icon. I will click on the vector layer icon and then it will open for me the dialog box. And it is from this dialog box that I will see the three dots, which I will click and then I will guide QGIS into where I have saved my shapefile, my African shapefile. Then after I have the Africa shapefile selected, then I will choose the geographical coordinate system to use, or you can as well use the default settings. So in my case, I have selected WGS 84 as my geographical coordinate system that I'm intending to use. Then after I import the vector layer or the shapefile into my project, I will have a map in QGIS which shows all the boundaries of the countries in Africa. And then I want now to open the attribute table. So I'll go to African layer, vector layer, and right click on it, and then I will see a list of all the probable options, and one of them will be open attribute table. So I will click on it and then this will open for me a set of icons that will enable me to activate the editing mode. So double click on the edit toggle button, which is shown with a pencil, and then once it is active, then you can highlight the regions where you want to do the edits. And for my case, if I select all the fields, then the map of Africa will change its color and it will show its colors as shown. This shows that all the regions have been selected and they are ready for editing. Now create a new column and add the fields which corresponds with the field that you wish to add information. So for me, I will create a new column and call it students. And for you to be able to do this, then you need to tap on the icon that is meant for create new field. Then you'll get a room to type a new field and then give it a name of your choice, and then edit inside to put in the values which you are interested in representing in your map. So for each region, add an appropriate value for the newly created variable that corresponds to whatever information that you want to display. So to select the region, so you need to go to the extreme left of your attribute table and select the region for which the variable you want to edit. Then after you have finished your edits, remember to save your work and deactivate the toggle editing tool to return to the map created. Then after doing that, then you need to display whatever information you have added into the map using different colors. So go to the layer and click on the layer attributes dialog box, and then choose graduated tab, and then choose the color to display the work you have done as you so wish. So in my case, I've chosen graduated and I have selected color blue to show the variations in the number of students across Africa. Then click apply and save your work. Now these are the results. You can now see that the shades of blue are varied across all the countries in Africa, depending on whether each country supported whatever number of students. So the country with the highest number of students that was supported has more blue color. The ones that never had any students supported do not have any color, and that is white. So here is a distribution of the added feature in the continent of Africa. So notice that this map is not yet complete, and for you to make it complete, you need to add a title and the key or the legend, and then the scale and the north arrow. So I appreciate your time. Thank you for listening in for this class. I look forward to seeing you in my next presentation. Thank you.